This is definitely a fun thing to do. It definitely seems a lot complicated, like more complicated coming into it, because you don't really understand what's going on at all. That's kind of how I felt. I just looked at the machines and all the numbers. I was so confused. But then over time, you actually do it and you see it's not really that hard. Once you start doing it slowly, make a couple mistakes, learn from those mistakes, you can definitely get the hang of it. My name is Alejandro Vasquez. I'm a senior at West Aurora. I'm the president of the Skills USA and the Machining and Welding Club, and also the Manufacturing Student of the Year. My freshman year, I was selecting classes, and I was selecting the welding program, but it was unfortunately full, and they put me in the precision machining program. And I had zero clue what it was. I didn't know anything about these machines, and I started doing it slowly, and I kind of liked using each machine, making something from scratch, and I just kind of fell in love with that, like creating a product from like just a block of aluminum, just making something that just looks really cool. I didn't go compete for stuff. I never got taken on like a trip to go compete for something that I was good at. This is the first time I was doing it, and just being there was an incredible experience because it took me to a place that I've never been before. And I competed. I didn't do so well, but then that gave me motivation to come back and do better. My next step would be, I'm gonna go to Atlanta, Georgia to go compete at a national competition. Last year I placed 11th in the nation for 2-axis, and I'm gonna go compete for that again. Hopefully I can do a little better this year. I'm aiming for top 5 at least. It's just a really cool way to just make something with your hands and just actually be doing, like, this is the only class I've actually really looked forward to. And it was just fun overall. At first it seems very like, you just look at it like the material spinning at like 2,000 RPM, just look at it, all the tools and all this different stuff, and you kind of get a little nervous about it, but once you actually do it and practice it, it really isn't that difficult once you get used to it. You would never know when anything's for you if you don't actually try it first. You can make it grow to be your future career or something that you actually love. I just saw how you could make all sorts of things, and it kind of just grew into what I want to do in my future now.